guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm gonna be sharing with you the recipe to my all-time favorite weekend brunch. So guys, this is my stuffed cheesy crepes. I know it sounds so simple because yes, it is really simple to make. So basically I took my mother's old recipe and I tweaked it up and stuffed it with some goodness and I came up with this recipe. It's amazing. So guys, if you want to learn how to make this cheesy rolled crepes, then just keep watching. And guys, while you're watching, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.
So here's what we're gonna need: some mushrooms, tomatoes, onions. We'll need some spinach, some garlic and habanero pepper, and some parsley. And of course, we're gonna need our crepes. So guys, I have already made my crepes and I have a video on how to make this, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below or somewhere on top of the screen right now. So feel free to check it out for a more detailed tutorial on how to make crepes. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I cook it. So pour your butter into a pan and swirl your pan just a little bit to make sure the butter coats the entire bottom of the pan. So that's how you're gonna end up with a really perfectly round crepe. So leave it on there for 30 seconds to 60 seconds until the edges of your crepe is dried, and flip it and cook for another 30 to 60 seconds and your crepe is done. So now set your pan on the stove and let's get our sauce cooking. So guys, this is a super easy sauce. So I have my butter and some olive oil in the pan, and using that I'm gonna saute my onions until my onions begin to get soft and tender. They should take about 3 minutes, but guys, remember to keep the onions moving because you don't want to end up with burnt onions. So after about 3 minutes of sauteing, I'm going to go ahead and add my mushrooms to the pan and saute this for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until my mushrooms begin to get soft and dark and it shrinks up a little bit. Then you know it's cooked. Okay, so this is what it looks like after about 5 minutes of sauteing. Now I'm adding my garlic and my habanero pepper. I add my habanero pepper and garlic late because I don't want it to get burnt. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season with some black pepper and some salt because I want those mushrooms to get some flavor, and the onions, I want them to have some really good flavor, and it's also good to layer your flavors as well. So now I'm adding my tomatoes because I don't want to overcook my tomatoes. The whole idea is to get the tomatoes to be soft without breaking down, because I like the way it looks when the tomatoes hold their own and it's not completely broken down and mushy. So that's the way I like it, but feel free to cook it as long as you want. So now that my tomatoes look good, they've cooked down quite a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and season with some seasoning and some smoked paprika for some extra flavor. Stir this all up again and then go ahead and add my spinach. So guys, with the spinach, I don't want it to get cooked, okay? So I'm just gonna stir this a little bit until the spinach wilts down a little bit. Then I'm gonna turn off the stove, season this again, and the sauce is done. It's pretty much done. Do not overcook your veggies or you're gonna lose all the fancy nutrients in the veggies. So this is pretty much done. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some salt and some extra black pepper because I love my black pepper and I like the taste that it gives this. So extra black pepper goes in and some salt goes in. Stir this all up and our sauce is done. So now it's time to assemble this dish. So I have a baking dish right here and I'm gonna use some butter just to oil it down because I don't want anything to stick to the bottom of the dish. Guys, you can also use a cooking spray, but why would you want to use a cooking spray if you've got butter? That's some extra flavor right there. Oh guys, I totally forgot to show you guys that you need some shredded cheese for this. So that's the shredded cheese. So now go ahead and scoop your sauce into the center of your crepe and add your cheese, as much cheese as you want. This is how much I want because I'm still going to top it off with extra cheese, okay? So fold up your crepes and then roll it. So add your sauce, add your cheese, fold up your crepe and roll it. I'll show you one more time. So add the sauce, top it up with some cheese, fold your crepes, and then roll it. It is that simple. Now place it in the dish. So I'm going to do the remaining. So I have about 4 inside my small dish. If you have a bigger dish, then you can fit in more crepes, okay? So top this up with a generous amount of shredded cheese and set it in the oven. My oven is set at broil, so I'm gonna leave it there for about 5 minutes until the cheese is all melty and bubbly. So that's what it looks like, guys. Doesn't it look good? I'm telling you guys, this would make an amazing brunch. It looks so good. So top it up with some parsley and some grated parmesan, and it looks amazing. This would please any guest you have over. Okay, so this is it, guys. Our dish is perfectly done. So look at how gooey that cheese is. Oh my God, guys, this looks so good. It's amazing. You need to try this, guys. So now it's time for you to watch me eat, okay? Don't judge me. I could not wait. It is that good. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video and thank you for sticking through it to the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time to do it, okay? So guys, please like this video, share this video, and leave your comments down below and let me know if there's a way to make it better. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.